brain because he hasn't done anything with this car in the past 2 days.
We're all bored, so we're gonna go head over to Gabe's place.
I gotta pick up my container, so I need to unload the 2-car trailer. So we're gonna go handle all that today. So I'm just gonna grab his car and trailer. We need to use that too. I got a notification that Kura Sushi's open for dine-in, so we doing it.
When did you guys call in?
Pro tip, don't do this when you eat sushi.
Hey, you want a triple?
A few inches later.
We're at Kura Sushi in Irvine. Don't ever come here. The worst.
The wait time's at 60 minutes. We've been here for
3 hours. They can't even clean the tables. There's a table with no chairs. It's terrible. Kura, you guys need to step your game up. Dude, look at this, all right? Check this out. 4:30 p.m. It said wait time is 16 minutes. It's 5:40, bro. It's not 16 minutes. 4:45 would have been 16 minutes. Tomahawk, shrimp, seared scallops. All right, there you go.
I'm so hungry.
I'm eating ginger. I'm so hungry.
Is this your bento box?
Yes, lunch.
Hey man, share the wealth.
I'm eating, bro.
You're incredible.
Look at this.
Hello, Kura, Revolving Sushi Bar. This is Lance speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, we left there. I had to leave. Can I pay my bill over the phone?
Over the phone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally at Gabe's. We're gonna go unload and load and load and unload and drive and load again and unload again.
What's up, dude? I go to park the car. I parked it in front of this one house, and then dude like comes running out of his house. I'm like, oh god, what is this? I'm like, this was like a straight like Karen, you know? I was like, it's a straight Karen, bro.
It's a Kevin, dude.
It's a Kevin. It's a Kevin, dog. So this fool came out the pad and he's like, you know what you're doing is just not morally right. I'm like, I have no clue what you mean about being morally right. I was like, what am I doing wrong? He's like, there's children here. You should be ashamed of yourself. I was like, wait. Sir, you know it's a public street. I'm more than allowed to park here as long as it's moved within a 3-day premise. There's no issues, right? And he's just like, can't tell this guy I'm gonna call the cops. So I was like, you're not gonna get anywhere by calling the cops. I was like, if I wanna park it here, I can leave it here. That's your house, this is a public street. And then he's just like, well, you know, this is just ridiculous. It's really offensive. I was like, am I out here revving my motor? I'm not doing anything, dude. I was like, just to save the conversation, I was like, I'll move it. That's fine. Right? So anyways, I move it. I just move it one house. I got the keys right here.
Can we pull the truck up over here?
Yeah, of course.
Loaded.
Rick, this is such a dumb idea.
No, it's not. Why you can't?
I should have just drove
That
it.
won't go through.
Idiot.
That won't go through.
No, it's too big.
That's what she never said.
That's what I wish she said.
I wish you said, dude.
That's what Siri says. Siri says I'm big.
Siri.
Am I big?
Siri, check my dick size, Siri.
Sorry, I cannot find your dick.
Arrow 404, not found.
Did you turn off lights in the trailer?
Inside?
Yeah.
No.
It's hard to do this.
Dang, I don't know if I should pick that one. That was bad deal.
That was a bad trade.
Alright, this car's not gonna fall, yeah?
Can't promise you anything.
Well, I'm not turning around.
Oh man.
He's always home.
Clean that.
Alright, Jordan. I'll see you fools later. Should be able to drop by and do that container like next couple of days.
So we're doing containers in a couple days.
It's way too late. That took way longer than expected. What time did we get here? It's already 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're not going to the land. Maybe we'll go to the land tomorrow. Maybe we'll set up the paint booth tomorrow.
Yeah, paint the pace car, guys.
Maybe that's what we'll do. We're playing musical cars here. I gotta figure out what I need to keep and what needs to go because the container is coming. I have 2 cars coming and then another 2. I don't know. We're just gonna go with the flow. First, I need you to move your race car.
We're gonna play musical cars, he says. Oh, you're gonna bring it through the car wash, bro?
Yeah.
The trailer?
Gotta wash the trailer.
We are at the land. Are these trailers for sale?
Everything for sale.
You're gonna leave your trailer here? I got a nice lock on there.
Isn't that why we came here?
No. Just drop off mine.
Why did I follow you all around the town for it?
What are you doing, bro?
Giving this to recycle, guys.
Sick!
There's quite a bit of aluminum.
Just throw it in the trash. We're not getting anything for
Lost aluminum. Probably like $200.
this. Shut up. We're gonna see what's wrong with this. Maybe pull out the trans and see if it's the trans or the clutch or I don't know.
Or the driver.
Could be the driver. We might have to check on that guy. Start with this. Yeah, take, oh! Let's get this thing in the air. I think we have more than enough room to work on this thing. Ah,
So fun.
this car's always on jack stands, you notice that? Luckily the Hachi's not moving anywhere anytime soon, so.
Oh, we're only doing it like what, 4 hours?
If you say so. All right, let's start. So, I think we found out what's wrong.
Yeah, chunky.
Chunky monkey. Did you see that fat chunk though? That came out.
No, it's in the pan.
It's in the pan.
There was fat chunk. It didn't even stick to the magnet.
All right, well, now we know. Take that thing out. We got way in over our heads and started pulling the trans out. Realized that we didn't even take the shifter out. We made it a million times harder. The trans is already pretty much out, but we were like tugging out like, what the hell? Why is it stuck? It's hitting the shifter. And now Coda can't get this C-clamp out.
Alright, let's put it back.
Can't get it?
Yeah, I can't.
I was wondering why my back was hurting so bad. These things are stabbing me. Oh my god.
That took us
longer than it took us to get everything off. That's cars for you. Just like it took Jordan 4 hours to put his seat rails in. Come on, baby. Here's a pro tip: if you can't take your trans out easily, lower the subframe or loosen the bolts on the subframe, and it'll give you a little bit of wiggle room on your motor.
Or you hammer the firewall.
Or you hammer the firewall, which I probably should have done 5 motor swaps ago. Oh! That crushed my finger! Ouch! Get it off!
It's on my belly!
Dude, my finger went backwards. Put it on the crawler. My finger went this way, bro.
Yeah, my rib is broken. Alright, let's throw this away.
That was my fault. I don't have that boot thing that goes around the trans, so trans fluid was just leaking out the entire time, and I totally forgot. I haven't drifted in so long. I normally top off the trans fluid, but I didn't top it off. And I ran my trans. Boom! That's what happens. Good job, man.
Got the coilovers.
Bad this.
My head under there.
I think it's higher than it was.
Higher than you thought? It didn't even go low.
It didn't even change, bro.
We have convinced Jordan to max out his coils. So for anyone who doesn't know, I don't know why you wouldn't know this, but if it's your first time, to get instant camber, loosen all 4 of these Allen bolts, take the front 2 out, and slide her all the way in. Put these 2 back, and you got camber. Right, let's moment of truth. A little bit better. Yeah, once you roll off the wood too. Issue. Oh. It's too low.
There's already on the
bro. We're gonna go reward ourselves for working so hard today. Eat some food.
I call sitting on the cooler.
I don't think you should record this because this is pretty bad.
I got to see what.
Okay, well, I'll be the girls. Can the girls be in the front?
Yeah, whatever, bro.
Like 100 sitting in the race seat.
Look at this seat, guys. Let's go to the race band.
It's too fast, bro.
He lost.
Lightning fast.
How many things have you lost on the way to here from friggin' Utah?
My hood vent
Your hood vent.
in my car.
His car.
You lost your mind, dude.
My mind, dude.
Oh, we're chilling, big chilling back here, dude. And we need to put one of those like U benches. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
like one of those.
Oh, this
Freaking-
is so uncomfy.
We can
The steering wheel is so weird. It's either I look through here or look through here. Oh.
Thanks for coming to Coachella, Bang Buff.
That's the Coachella Bang Buff 2021. I love how we were like, do we have a car that can fit all of us? We choose the two-seater.
looking above that steering wheel.
Rocking the Kill Suzuki. Look at you. Rocking Kill Suzuki too. Hey, look guys, Jordan cut his hair.
It's the first time they see this?
Yeah, it's the first time they've seen it.
This is so old, guys.
Like everyone's rocking the merch. I'm rocking myself and Martin.
Rocky and I are
They're matching.
Dude, she's Mr. Steal Your Girl.
We're matching.
They look like a couple right now.
No, we're twins.
Ah, that's better. So Yard House has been closed for like the past 6 months or something. Thank you.
Nah.
Yeah.
Can I have his dad take a picture and get it?
So you have to have a physical.
Okay. That's fine.
What if we FaceTime it? Yeah.
Code for guys ID.
I'm
Come on,
16.
It's Rocky's last day. Come on.
Stop shaving, bro.
Just grab your ID. You'll pass. It'll be 10 minutes. I'll order your food. By the time you get here, it'll be ready.
That is true.
Sold up, man. Koi kunai.
Good, Kura?
I feel so good.
Did you just eat salad or something?
Yeah.
Sober. I was sober. I was having fun because I was super happy.
You guys are like solid, like face